Now that we understand how layouts work and how we navigate through pages in our applications, let's explore another special file provided by Next.js as a part of the app router, the template file. To grasp the concept of the template files, let's quickly revisit layouts. In our app router, we have a router group with a layout file to navigate across 3 different links: register, login, and forgot. What we'll do now is add an input element to gather some data from the user. The specific data we gather isn't crucial. We just need to establish some state within the layout. So, import the useState hook from React within the layout component and create a state called input using the useState hook with the set function named setInput and an initial value of an empty string. Now, just before the navigation links, add a div with an input element. Set the value attribute to input and onChange attribute to a function that captures the event and calls set input with event targets and value. This allows us to observe the input value. So, yarn dev navigate to the register route in the browser. Although the input styles make the elements now visible, rest assured it exists. Enter HCCT as a text. Now, observe the input value when navigate from the register route to the login route. You will see that the state is preserved. This happens because layout only mounts the part representing the content of the newly loaded page while keeping common elements untouched. However, there may be scenarios where you need a layout to create a new instance for each child to navigation. For such case, you can use the template file as a replacement for the layout file. Template-like layouts wrap each child layout or page, but within template, a new instance of the components is mounted when a user navigates between routes that share a template. State is not preserved and effects are resynchronized. To use a template, export a default React component from the template.js or template.tsx file. Similar to layouts, template should accept a children prop to render nested segments in the root. In VS Code, rename layout.tsx to template.tsx. In the browser, re-enter HCCT and register and navigate to, for example, forgot. Notice that the state is not preserved anymore. It's essential to know that templates are not commonly required, otherwise rely on layouts for shared UI. If needed, you can use both layout.tsx and template.tsx file. In this case, the layout renders first, and its children are replaced by the component exported from the template file. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.